about the colors, but about the entire coast. So that's what these boards are about, and it tells the history of the entire coast. And what we've also understood is that this place is small, so big. So you will find that there's QR codes, and there's a map there just as you exit that has all the 13 chapters of the park, and then you will find little bollards around, little QR codes. So as the kids are walking, as parents or whoever, it takes you on a journey around the history of Dallas and the community that is around here. And that's what we wanted to focus on. So you find that the southernmost point, which is there, that was phase 1 of the Agulhas Lighthouse Precinct that was completed in around 2018, and now this is phase 2. And this provides, I would say, a complete picture with room for improvement. I was talking about the erection of a whale that's going to come, skeleton, and the kids' play area, and things which will provide us with enhanced the experience. And if that happens, then people will stay longer in the area, and that's what we want. We don't want a photo opportunity, come, smile at the southernmost point, and then go back. No, we want to stay here.
The one thing, Minister, and they didn't listen to me 2 years ago, but I'm going to fix it soon. The idea here is that we need to look at this district. We need to look at the whole Western Cape and the whole South Africa. We've installed at our Tambo Airport like an information center. So when people come here online, they can see all the other tourist attractions in the district, in the province, and in South Africa. Somewhere along the line, it fell by the wayside. So I've already instructed them that we need to get the digital system, put it up here, so that you use the opportunity of guests coming here to go into the other villages and small towns in the whole district. I mean, the Western Cape tourism and the district tourism, they can put, attractions on their guest houses, any other tourist attractions in the area. So that's the only thing missing, and then he's going to find the place where we're going to put it, either reception or dinner. But it's something that was supposed to be here also when we opened it.
What we're also going to do here, we've done that at Blaauwberg in Cape Town.
Yeah.
We've got to put in braille for people that are visually impaired to be able to come here and through their hands see what's going on. I stood there at Blaauwberg seeing a blind lady reading in braille what is going on in the nature and the surroundings around her. Imagine standing at the most southern tip of this continent.
Yeah.
You can't read what's on that plate, but if there's braille and you can read it, you feel part of it. And that's what we're going to do here as well. And it will be coming up very soon.
Yeah.